Alright, what up, good people? As you can see, we got that real truck, which I didn't know that they was the same company until here recently and shit. But new truck bed cover for the Ram. As you can see, the old one is gone. So what I wanted to do, or what I did, was order one from Amazon, send it to the crib. I heard installation is mad simple. I mean, it's not like you're building an engine or nothing like there. So I'm pretty sure it's something that we can figure out. So let's get it opened up and then see what we got. All right, so when you first open the box, it says locate the side rails and the hardware. So rail. So we got two rails. The hardware box, which is here. Okay. And then you got your installation sheet. So basically, you're gonna follow the directions. From what I heard, it should only take like not that long to install. So we're gonna read this and yeah, go from there. Yes, and then after you let your truck bed down with one-handed operation, you can now pull the string and flip the whole cover all the way back, or if you need a little bit more room, flip it all the way up and still have all your trunk space.